Alrighty, so I'm here today and I'm going to be working on a 2003 Ford Mustang, and the complaint here is that the AC isn't working. So has Freon, everything like that. The clutch is not coming on. And I checked for power coming from the clutch plug. Unplugged the AC compressor wire, checked, got ground, no power at all. Shot power to it, it works. So I'm going to let you know why it's not working. And why it's not working is because there's something in these Ford Mustangs, and I know on a different year, I think like 1999 or something like that, it's sitting like by the reservoir, coolant reservoir, but this one is sitting on the passenger side in the fender wall. So being with that said, it's a constant control relay module. So the module basically provides power to the powertrain, so the PCM. And the components on the relays that it has, the relays are not removable. You cannot remove them because they're soldered to the board. And it controls the cooling fan, AC clutch, fuel pump, and PCM power relay. So I'm going to show you where it's at. I'm going to show you where to disconnect it, and then get going from there. Alright, so here it is, passenger side. That's your part number and everything like that. 11 millimeter, and then you have this one, which is a 5 millimeter. You have 2 volts for your 11, and then there's another one over here. Yes, over here. And that's how you'd get this bracket off. But you're gonna need to disconnect the battery first, take your negative terminal off before you disconnect any major harnesses like this. So here we are. I got my test light and I got it hooked up to power, and we're going to show that it has a good ground. And this right here is your ground, so you can see it's lighting up green. This will be your power side. So when I switch it to here, since we know that's ground, we're getting no power at all. No power. So that's just the confirmation right there to know that there's no power coming to power the AC clutch. This 5 millimeter here is how you end up getting the connection off here. So just keep on unscrewing this, and then it comes off. So we have it running now. Clutch is running and everything's good. And then you can see inside. Our AC is blowing, so we're all good. And so this is, like I said, 2003 Ford Mustang base model, and it's actually one of the lowest mileage 2003 Mustangs I've ever seen, by the way. But other than that, quick, simple, and just always make sure you check your fuses and check power, check ground before you jump into changing that, because it's not cheap either, and I had to get it used. So any questions, go ahead, like and subscribe. My name is Chinelo Uzuechi, and I am the owner and lead technician of Smart Motives. We want you to be prepared for the job. Also, we want you to be knowledgeable on how the component works, and we also want you to be confident on your repairs. So please, take notes, pay attention, and if you have any questions or you need me to elaborate on anything in this videos, go ahead and leave a comment, or you can go ahead and email me at motivesmart@gmail.com, and I'll be sure to get back to you in 24 hours to 48 hours. Thank you very much.